guys, well, here's two of my projects. Probably can't see one of them. Shows you actually how small the little smart cars are parked beside a 52 Ford 8N farm tractor. The smart car out of the garage to charge up the battery. It's still in. I haven't taken it out yet, so it's been idling for about 10 minutes. I'm just going to putt around the driveway to keep things all moved up. And again, this is my 52 Ford 8N farm tractor that I use to plow the yard. You can see how quiet that is for a small diesel. Back view of them, so you can see the size difference from a 15-inch rim and a 28-inch rim. I must say the farm tractor's been doing a great job in keeping the driveway plowed. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, this is my Ford 8N tractor that I've restored. If you look back at some of my older videos, you can see this was more or less a rust bucket when I got it. And this is my 2006 Smart Car Passion Cabriolet, or a little smart car roadster that I'm in the midst of tinkering with. I've got a few videos on this on my channel already. Works great, other than it's in a current limp mode, so I'm going to be diagnosing that and seeing what the issue is there. But starts right up and runs and drives. Certainly cleaned up really well. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments below, post them below. Take care. Have a great day.